I am so freaking stoked to be back here. Wow, this bowl is fabulous. I think it's time for me to go up to the top floor and see what they have going on up there. Toy toaster. So cute. $30. 60% off. Yeah, it's hot. I'm going upstairs. Oh, I got so excited about this drip pottery, and as I was turning my camera on, I realized it's got a chip. I keep having a feeling that there's something wrong with this. They're always cracked. It's kind of crazy this one isn't. All right, I've made it to the top floor. All right, frog and mushroom, $13.50 firm. That's about what I would get for that after fees. I'm just gonna make myself right at home here. So cute. Love the tea towel. And I've sold these in the past. They don't sell for that much. It's only $3 though. And I love the little crocheted lemons. $10 though for the pair. I think that might be a bit much. Cat section. This one's on a chain too. Okay, so one says 10, one says 15. I don't really feel like getting involved in that. This one says 21. All right, so that's a no too. The dogs, they're a little pricey. I don't see a discount sign either. Here's the Artisan Wakanda. 29, yeah. This might not be my booth. Love the owls, I've had them so many times. So this is the vendor I was thinking about that used to be on the second floor. It's some really cool stuff. And really good prices. Wait, $1? No, that can't be. I know they're new, but still. This is crazy. This is $2. I think I'm about to fill a couple baskets here. This is amazing. That's amazing. Everything's amazing. Look at this. $5. It's kind of wild looking. The music box says as is. The car bookends. I got some crazy cat ones here. Took a while to sell and they cost so much to ship. I normally stay away from them, but they sold for good money. Repop lamp. What's that Art Deco lady? See, this is what I'm talking about. This costs so much to ship that it's like almost not worth it. I'm gonna come back to that. This is so cool. $6. All right, so let's go. Let's do this booth next. This says 50% off. And there's a lot in here. Wow, look at this. That's so fun. I think this is made in the Philippines, but it says France on the tag. Maybe there's something I don't know about it. It's pretty freaking fabulous for $10. I think I'm gonna grab this. I posted my video today where I was in Greenbrier and French Market, OIC. And I left this phenomenal basket purse from Hong Kong because I was being weird and I really regretted it. But for $10, this is a really fabulous shape. I'm gonna grab that. Wow, I love these chairs. Those are phenomenal. I've never seen them in that color. This wall decor is amazing too. It's so cheap. What is this weird doll thing back here? Oh my gosh, that's horrific. In like the best way possible though. I don't really understand how much it is. What does the prices look like? I guess it just doesn't have a price. I don't know if I want to take home that energy. This is a cool set. Oh wait, alligator spoon rest. $5. And then 25% off. Don't mind if I do. I'll take that. That's really fun. And then the little angel and squirrel. He's got some damage to his tail. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. Okay, I'm just like beelining straight for the owl first, because I've never seen this one. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. All right, so this one's at $18.50, no discount. I can't do anything with that. The cat string holder's at $20. Fair price for collectors. Oh, look at this turtle. How cute. It's a hobbyist piece, but still, it's freaking, oh, it's very broken. Just kidding. They're missing their lids. Wow. This guy's pretty fun. It is an otter. That's what I thought. He's got some damage, though. Cute little, oh my gosh, look at the elephant. That's a souvenir of Hollywood. That is so cute. And I always love these things, but they don't sell well for me. Now, this, on the other hand, is probably going to be expensive, but $14.50, actually, that's super fair. That's, like, really fair, and it's in pretty good condition, too. Those are usually chipped up, as I'm sure you're aware, because it's, ooh, monkey. Wait, this cool strawberry jar, $25. Oh, I almost missed this. $12.50. That's really cute. Oh, and that's neat too. I love the top on that. What about down here? That's neat. Are those? Oh, no, I thought they came out. What's this weird bell? Oh, that's new. Just kidding. I don't know where I thought I was going with that. All right, there's like a whole 2 more sections, and I still haven't finished the first floor. The first floor was a little bit overwhelming for me. I think I'm gonna go back here. I remember it ended up being like a triple basket situation here last time. All right, well, first of all, what is this sign? $85. I really want that. I don't know if I need it. It also might get damaged in the car. My car situation is quickly getting even more out of control. $10. Fair, but not too much exciting. It's not too exciting is what I meant to say compared to everything else going on. Wow, that's amazing. There's another wicker. It doesn't compare to that yellow one I left behind. I remember I got some really cool sandals from this booth, and everyone, they were new. They weren't even used. And I paid $5 for them, and everyone always asked me where I got them. All right. Now, the bag is at $50. It's not a Need Collins. It's in a Need Collins lookalike. That's a fun one. $9. Oh, I kind of like that. I'm a little on the fence. Made in Japan. Really neat. I love the dancer on it. What else do they have over here? I'm holding on to it for now. I don't see any more pins. I didn't even finish the jewelry down there. This one's missing some stones. Oh, good grief. There's all kinds of jewelry over here. Oh my gosh, look at this box purse. That is phenomenal. $39. That's really well priced too. If it was for myself or a collector. The brown I'm a little hesitant about. I've paid up for those before, but they've been in like really unique colors, and also have been name brand. Oh no, what do we have here? You know what, I don't really want to pay $9 for this. I'm gonna put this one back. This is cool. These are Holt Howard, I think. Designed by Holt Howard, at least. This booth. I love them. They're missing their lenticular eyes. Oh my gosh. I have wanted to grab one of these my entire trip. This is Anthony What's-His-Face of California. $6 is an insanely good price. Those were so expensive in California. I can't even begin to tell you. And that's at 10. The pipe salt and pepper shakers. This looks like an African beaded rhinoceros. And it's pretty fabulous. $7.48. That's totally fair. I'm gonna keep looking though. Whoa. What? It's really stuck on there. This is making me nervous. Portugal. I guess it's for the pair. 25. Well, I could have saved myself the trouble. I just really love her face. Can we talk about this? I kind of love that. How much is this? 20 bucks. That's really cool. I'm gonna see if there's another one of these online. In the meantime, Tiger Bank, he's cute. I kind of gave up because then I noticed this. This is Neiman Marcus, isn't it? No, it's not. It looks like the one I got that was Neiman Marcus though, when I was in Lubbock. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at that. That's so cute. A lot of the little purses are fun. They look all new though. Yeah, that's definitely new. Elizabeth Arden. They feel kind of cheap, honestly. I've made some progress up here at least. Those are really pretty. I love the graphics on the box for the set. The set itself leaving a little to be desired. What else is in this booth? Lots of kitchen stuff. Uh-oh. Is there a discount? Because I see $12. Wait, 4 for 12? Oh, it's because they're really beat up. That's why. I can't justify that. I know that's a really, really good price, but they're just going to be too much work considering the graphic is as gone as it is. And now we are entering our next danger zone. This is a really pretty vase. Oh, I looked at that last time. See the little shelf sitters. Okay, these I looked at. I was obsessed with them. I don't know why I didn't get them. $12.50 each. I might do a re-Google because they're pretty awesome. Although it's kind of weird that they're still here. It's not really a good sign. A lot of the stuff I looked at last time is not really here. How cool. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I think it's time for me to take another break, actually. I love this little every house should have one mouse. Yeah, I think it's time for me to take another little break. I have a feeling as soon as I turn this corner, I'm gonna get a second window. What is this? You see what I'm saying? $3. Oh, that's a really fun one. I love the graphic on that. Oh, there's just so much in here. Not to mention this little $3.75. What? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take a little break and come back. Weird skunk situation. Oh, but wait, right next to the stairs is this 50% off booth. Maybe since I only have like one thing in my basket. $7.50. That's so cute. Got a little nick on the nose. Maybe I can fill it up with some more stuff. Not a big fan of these. Now, what about $9 after the discount? $6. Yeah. Ooh, he's missing his B, but still $6. That's a great deal, actually. He's really cute. I think I'll grab that. And I bought the other two of those. I did ship them home. Those are the ones I left. They had damage. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, wait, how am I not noticing this immediately? Diaper Express, 25 firm. Okay, that's a no. This little Shawnee Pixie, 12 after the discount. Tell me this doesn't spin. Oh, it's probably a music box. 17, I'm gonna look at that later.